Cricket is a highly successful sport in India. We have won 3 World Cups. However, when it comes to other sports like Olympic sports, our performance has not been that great. We have gone from being ranked 22 in 1948 London Olympics to be ranked 67 in the 2016 Rio Olympics. While the government has done well to promote sports through programs like Khelo India, Side Training Center scheme, Special Area Game schemes, a lot still needs to be done. Here are 5 things we need to do to promote other sports in India. We are often told that India lacks the infrastructure that is needed to promote other sports besides cricket. One must also be made aware of the infrastructure that is kept under lock and key. For example, many large schools, colleges, institutions have huge sporting facilities that lie unused after operational hours. What if organizers, private bodies, local sports communities can come forward and use them for tournaments, contests and championships? What if we were able to leverage this existing infrastructure in a systematic way that will create self-sustaining model for more participation? This will not only encourage more participation but also develop into a proper ecosystem. We often follow cricketers, international football players and watch events like Football World Cup, Formula 1 and tennis. While all this is good, we have forgotten to promote our own athletes. A country with over 1 billion people has the power to make anything viral. What if we started a trend to follow Indian sportsmen on social media? What if we shared stories, posts, articles and videos that highlight achievements of Indian sports? Indian media and most of us are also responsible for a fact that Indian sports has taken a backseat just because most of us are not bothered, and hence these sportsmen who are either from humble backgrounds, representative of Indian Defence Forces or athletes who have come up through sheer struggle go unnoticed just because other things that mean really nothing in reality are more important to us. We undermine the impact that sports has on our lives. Sports teaches discipline, teamwork, teaches us how to face failure, and most importantly, sports teaches us how to keep fighting. Parents want their children to have a safe and secure future, and perhaps that is the main reason why they put their foot down when it comes to career in sports. But the fact is that job insecurity is there everywhere, even in bank jobs, IT, or for that matter, any corporate job. We need to educate the parents about positive impact of sports so that they can allow their children to balance studies with sports. Incidentally, sports is a $2 billion industry. In fact, it is bigger than the Indian film industry. It can become a $10 billion industry in the next 6 to 7 years, considering the growth this sector has demonstrated. Investments in the top 5 events like IPL, Indian Football League, IBL, Pro Kabaddi League have been phenomenal. However, some other sports also need similar support. Corporates like Tata, Reliance, Adani have contributed immensely towards sports CSR funding in India. More such similar activity on local level can help the cause further. A little help even on an individual level can really do a world of good too. A new model must be introduced by India to avoid corruption scandals like 2010 Commonwealth Games scam. People of our country deserve accountability and transparency. Proper allocation and right use of resources and infrastructure will encourage better sporting activities and correct management of sports events. So these are the 5 reasons that can promote other sports in India as well as help India in bringing more medals at Olympics. Do share your comments and let us know what you think can be done to improve sports current scenario. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on sports. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.